Good morning from, I was about to say Houston, Austin. I don't know why I keep doing that. Austin, Texas. We are at Revival Coffee waiting on our Airbnb. This place is so cute. Say hi, Lexi. It's my road dog for the trip, one of 7 or 6 of us. And I had this super cute drink. This is Fruity Pebbles. It's actually iced matcha with lavender. Very hipster. So we're waiting on getting our bags dropped at noon. It's only 9:30, so we're just hanging out by the coffee shop so we check in. But yeah, this place is so cute. So far we love Austin. The airport is so nice. Love the all-inclusive bathrooms. Right across the street from the cemetery.
Walk on the main road with these giant.
Are you taking us to the cow farm or the kombucha food truck? Which one?
This is like our spirit city because there's kombucha and vegan food everywhere.
Yay.
And there's yoga on every corner.
So headed to the Airbnb, checking out all the scenery. This definitely feels like cool. Like look at all of this.
I'm mad I forgot my spray paint. Oh my God. We're gonna put our tag.
Aw, dag.
Mom's gone wild. Austin edition.
Yes. Can we like go there? Like what is this place? It says cute nail studio? OMG. Girl, I'll risk a leg infection for this place.
Yeah, you haven't had a pedicure since that nightmare.
Nope, so just set me up.
The steroids.
Yep.
And
Schedule. They have one like almost every hour.
Bernie. I don't know how y'all feel about that, but
In yoga, volunteer.
it
and
totally
then have a
makes
full
sense that
beer.
Bernie would be kicking A in Austin.
Can't be that bold, man. What if we make this an annual thing? Then we're gonna don't give away the secrets.
Well, that's why I said, am I vlogging this?
No.
how do you decide the rooms?
So there are 3 rooms, 2 upstairs with 2 full beds, and then a garage. So we have a new word for the trip is we're gonna top model these beds and do room selection by putting our bag on the bed. Is that fair? Maybe. Are we here
We
first?
got here
Yes.
first, so
Do we want to stay in the garage? No.
Look, this couch looks comfy. It will be alright.
That's gonna be the pass out couch.
Yeah, it's gonna be
So
just
here's the
fine.
garage. Literally. It's not bad. It's just that we old now, so
We extra old.
yeah, so we're popping a squat, waiting for the rest of everybody to get here. I'm gonna go get brunch and drinks and then top model these beds.
These beds look big enough for us to share.
Yeah, they
the,
do.
The 3 of us are gonna get a room together. Problem solved. We're getting the one on the front side. That's it.
With the bathroom.
with the bathroom.
I don't know if it has the bathroom, but it has the view. So that's ours.
Okay. Hey, 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 girl.
We live in Georgia. That's like the Bible Belt.
So, part of the crew has arrived.
That's cute. It says the only magic I still believe in is love.
Aw, that's nice. Get it.
I never get to date drink children. Right. So this is fucking awesome.
Amen, sister. Ordered some spicy margarita, something watermelon, and Bloody Mary.
Going down.
Yes. Drink number 1, ...
Hello, I was posing.
Oh my God. Hey. You are cute. Very
So famous. I was a solo. I don't know how to do this.
Wait.
And
good?
I just have PTSD. Thanks.
Wow.
Okay, yeah, we like literally finished renovating like a month ago. So bad.
Yeah.
A pain to renovate. We never stopped cooking, so we just like
Right.
do the cabinets.
Oh, we're totally hanging out in here.
Yes. Thank you.
So I'm gonna be really able to I just want to open everything. Over here.
Yeah, there's a little like
Up the stairs.
train.
Yeah, so
Okay, so both of these bedrooms are the same as far as sleeping and showers.
Anybody else a little winded? A little winded by these stairs.
These are a really great roof space. Okay. Oh, it's over here, the roof space? Yeah. Oh, the roof space is in here.
What?
I'm tired. These
I was
are
like-
small though.
I was like, is anybody else winded?
I am winded.
I think Danielle put her back down prematurely because want the roof space. I said, what are you doing? What are you doing? I'm about to put my bag down here.
Ooh, because yeah, you can open this.
Yeah. Oh my God, more stairs. Oh my God, this is so amazing. What?
Totally do a yoga class here.
That's what I was saying. You don't need to do yoga in the basement. Yeah. You can do it up.
Yeah.
We're going to get some great pictures up here. Nice.
Y'all like it?
Yeah, this is
We can do that. Oh, you got the best chair. Okay, we're about to get this party started. We got our bartender on deck. I got a DJ. The living room. We're just chilling right now. We went to the grocery store. So we're gonna have some drinks and some like chips and salsa. And hopefully not pass out. Isn't this place cute?
I couldn't figure it out.
Yeah, Airbnb. Actually sleeps like 16, but there's only 6 of us. And we're right in the middle of everything. Trying to get ready. You know, this lighting is so good.
Can't even open the door.
Ellie, what did you put in the drinks?
vodka, strawberry lemonade, or what's it? Raspberry lemonade and lime juice.
Tastes yummy sounding. That doesn't make sense. What we got going over here in the kitchen?
Oh, for real? You're actually covering me? We are cutting cheese for our Austin charcuterie board.
Ooh, okay, so what did you do?
Nothing.
You washed dishes and put crackers in a bowl?
I did.
And took a top off some salsa,
I did.
and I sat on the couch.
Okay, these slices are not good. 'Cause
That's fine.
y'all get it.
Yay!
I wouldn't worry at all.
My fear is that I'm gonna get tired from the drinking, you know, and I'm gonna be like, I'm sleepy now. We gotta keep the momentum going. I could jump in at any moment, you know.
All the action is
I have to like go to the bathroom right.
You guys have to subscribe before you head out. I post a new workout every day. Okay, cross your arms.
If you wanna go poop, I can pause it.
I did poop like 3 times yesterday, so maybe I'm good for that.
On Twitter, to your email list, wherever you can share it to help me help more people understand. Just like we're doing.
Here's some glade for that smell and then
What's that? Oh, y'all really brought me the glaze?
Urban is just more like breakdown. Like, make sure your knees here if you're not, you know.
Back to the first, back to the second, then we'll continue. So in 30
You
seconds.
guys can always do your thing after me.
Quick vlog. Hey, good morning.
Morning.
Good morning.
Good morning.
So we're gonna partake in this breakfast made by Drina. Thank you. And all I did was poorly wash dishes. They had to come back and be like, what's that? What's that? Sorry. And I'm using my lack of protein as an excuse. All right, bon appetit. Okay, we're headed to yoga.
So I finally got Ren to come to a yoga class with me again after 6 months.
I've been coming. into the...
Little did I know I had to get her to Texas, but I'm very excited.
I volunteered. I said yes.
It's a fancy bodega.
Look, we're at this like fancy bodega grocery store here in Austin. To get some water. And I packed my bottle, my metal bottle, so I'm good. But we're gonna get some supplies and then head to yoga.
This is such a cute little store.
I know. I just want to get little minis. I just love minis.
Little minis. I love little minis.
Like all this stuff that makes me happy. It's Tuesday, the second to last, or the day before we have to leave. So we are currently in the Airbnb, dispersed. I think some of us are working, some of us are catching up with social media and our lives. But last night was so much fun. After we ate, we went to a little bar and then came back and we just like had snacks and like did like silly games like Truth or Dare. So cracked up, but we were all so tired this morning. So we just had breakfast. I did my little YouTube workout and now I think we're gonna try to motivate ourselves to go do tourist stuff. So when are we headed out, Danielle?
I'm ready. So hopefully noonish, 12:30ish. We're gonna go find some delicious Austin food because the city's supposed to be known for like food trucks and all their Latin and Asian foods. So we're gonna go tear it up for sure.
Ride some scooters, maybe?
Yes, everybody's getting on a scooter. I gave Ren a scooter ride last night. Tonight she's gonna drive herself.
I'm gonna ride my own this
She's
time.
gonna be ready.
Yay! So I'll take you out with me. It's a little overcast, but still nice weather. So hopefully the rain won't come until never. But we should be good. So I'll see y'all. Okay, time for lunch. Look at this cute place.
Yeah, it had a bunch of stuff.
I'm about to eat. I don't need to do something else other than food.
This is like a whole vibe in here.
I think it's like where I should live. This is my people.
Cute. It's
There's
so
not a hammock.
I know. Oh, hell yeah. We need hammocks, especially after lunch.
There's a Buddha, big Buddha in there. I love it.
They have yoga here, Danielle.
I'm sure there is yoga here.
Hi.
Yeah. And I was like, okay.
Look at doggies.
Say hi. Take her outside. So my
Look at doggies.
And her dogs.
welcome back.
Ooh, look at this place.
Super cute.
I love it.
I would totally come here with my kids all the time.
Have her kids here. And so they would do their lunch here.
Yeah, nice.
So like it's thank you.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Appreciate ya.
Like cafeteria type style. So the same thing lunch is all of this. The full entree is 3 course. And it's $14.
14 a
Yep,
person.
14 a person. That's what you always get, and then it includes your drink. The desserts are different, or separate, I mean. And yeah, you pay here, you go around, you get a tray, you get your salad, your soup, and then they'll bring out the entree. Oh.
Do we pay up front right here?
Yeah, you pay here.
Okay, so we went from the vegan. We went from the vegan restaurant and where are we going right now?
Completely unhealthy chewies.
So literally, we got food at the vegan place. Some of us ate it.
That's the Thai thing, the Thai ice cream.
Perfect. Some of us ate it, and now we're at Mexican spot because some of us wanted to actually eat.
Eat some fat.
I didn't mind it. I liked it.
I liked it, but now I know I'll eat a little bit here.
Yeah, I'm just gonna eat like a one taco and then get some Thai ice cream. Yes.
More at a certain time.
Okay, here we go.
Look at that sign. Hippies use side.
Oh, that's cute.
Hey girl, I just saw your friend drive by.
Oh, really?
That's all I saw is coming to the taco place.
No way.
I'm just messing with you. I'm just messing with you.
Oh, okay.
But wouldn't that be funny? That would be the funniest shit ever.
Officially tourists, and we have our bikes and scooters. I'm a little scared because I've never ridden one before, but it's kind of fun. It's scary. But this one's through Uber. So wish us luck. We're gonna go to 6th Street, which is where all the bars are. And like you're gonna walk around and scoot around. So wish us luck. To the roof. Get that. Got my drink.
Oh, this is way too many fucking stairs.
It is.
First.
It's not even the end.
We're not done, man.
You have to go to the bedroom, then more stairs.
Oh, hell.
Be focused. Yeah, I could tell. I got these going on. That we had a fun night. So it is the last day in Austin. We are pretty much just kind of getting our stuff together, ready to check out in an hour or so. Eat the leftovers of our like fruit and bread and cheese, and then our flight doesn't leave till 9 o'clock, and it's about 10, almost 10. So we have a long day still. So hopefully we get some good nutritious food and see a little bit more stuff, and we'll take you guys with. So we had an amazing lunch at they had like sushi place, and we got way too much food, and I totally forgot to vlog it because I was like living. So we're old and tired.
So tired.
So we decided to go to the mall to kill time because we still have like 8 hours till we board our plane. So we're at the mall and we got Starbucks, and we're getting massage chair. So I always get skinny vanilla latte iced grande with coconut milk. Thank you, Drina.
Oh my god, there's massage in the butt.
It does?
Yeah.
I'm totally doing this massage chair right now.
Wait till the massage your butt.
Okay, I'm ready for the butt. Oh, yes. This is totally worth $5. Oh my god.
I was like,
Oh, it hurts so good.
this is like the best $5
Yeah.
I've spent in a long time.
Yeah, it hurts so good. I love how it reclines too. See, I ain't gonna pay those people upstairs. I'm just gonna sit here. Sit on my back. Okay, I'm gonna enjoy this. We've moved to another location in efforts to kill time before our flight. We're gonna get foot massages. It's $38 for an hour. Pretty good. Love like reflexology, and it'll be like the perfect relaxation end to this trip. So excited. Corn soup. Frozen margarita. Yeah.
They're just checking.
So we made it back to the airport. The food we had was decent, the Mexican food, and now we have about an hour till we board, and we're home. So I didn't get to vlog as much as I wanted, but I had such a good time that I just didn't even think to pick up the camera, and that's really what it's about too, you know, being in the moment, but also taking some time to vlog for y'all. So I hope you guys enjoyed this trip. We already have our next girls trip planned, and I'm so excited about that. So if you like this kind of videos, thumbs this video up. Don't forget to subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one. Ciao, Bellas.